All right, what do we got here?
All right, well, welcome to the pneumatic table here at PhD at Carnival 2024. So here we've got a lot of automotive type solutions that we're showing off. We'll start down here at this end with our tri-axis tooling from PhD in Canada. Folks, they make what they call a tooling finger, so it all starts back at the transfer press rail, and then it moves forward through connections and cable management and wire management, all the way to the end where the gripper is located there. So this is just showcasing a couple solutions that we have that goes on the end of this tooling finger here, as well as some bare pieces of the tri-axis tooling there, anodized in orange, blue, and black. Also, kind of showcased on the end of this thing is one of our newest releases, which is called a modular shovel. So it's a shovel that's intended to be very modular. You can bolt and unbolt various pieces on this thing to meet your needs. So it's kind of like a Lego kit for adults, if you will. So you can put together what you need to transfer your sheet metal pieces and parts. Also on this table, what we are showcasing is our most recent release of a product innovation that goes on our GRM2 clamp, which is a push-button teachable sensor. Right now, it's set up in a panel present solution on this, so it makes setting up the sensor much simpler and quicker, and brings the clamp overall into the modern century by integrating some new technology in there with the push-button sensor. Then our European partner has brought over a couple of their hot forming clamp sensor solutions as well. Here, both showcased on GRM size 1 units. We also have a GRM size 1 unit that's showcasing our new jaw set there. We're introducing the shovel jaw for the GRM size 1 on this unit right here. Then moving on, some pin clamps, some PLKs, again from our European partner that came over, showcasing a new sensor that they've got on the side of a PLK clamp. And then right next to it is a new design that we have, which is a PLSD, which is a precise locating pin clamp that doesn't have a clamping function, but it's just a locating pin, precise locating pin. Load a sheet metal product on top. When the process is done, sometimes it's hard to remove that product from the clamp, so this is designed to disappear out of the way for removal of that part. So we have multiple mounting options, adaptable and modular, with different mountings there. And then also the last on our table here is a prototype of what we're thinking about growing our GRR line of grippers. Very successful with the GRR size 63 that's released and launched and in production today. But one of the ideas then is to grow that product line into a 40 millimeter bore powered unit, and that's what we have right here on the table. It's our first physical prototype assembly of that gripper, and we just brought it to the show here today to get some feedback. And then the last that's on the table here is the newest product that PhD has launched, which is the remote drive. So what's on our table here is actually a new size